I was a farm kid. My grandpa grew up on a farm. I always had a love for equipment, driving it, and I think once I hit high school, I kind of knew that being a farmer wasn't as realistic as maybe being a mechanic. One of my teachers brought up that there's opportunities for like job shadowing or internships at the school, so I talked with the teacher. He got me connected with RDO. A week later, I got offered an internship there and took that on, and probably a month later decided that I wanted to be AYF, so I signed on. So far, I love the company. The work community is awesome, and just the opportunity to grow in the company. The Access Your Future program is all up to you. If you like the job you're working at and you want to keep doing it, then there's incentives as you go down the road for you to keep working. You put in the work and you get rewarded after, rather than other programs where, say, they pay for your college up front, but then you sign a contract. And if you don't like that, then you end up taking money out of your pocket, paying the company back. With the Access Your Future program, it's all up to you. The experience here counts as college credit for my education. You're working along someone. It's not like you're working by yourself. They're always there to ask questions if you need it. I benefit from the company because guys in the back, they teach me all about whatever we're working on that day, and I go home more educated than the day before. And then when I'm out of college, RDO benefits for me because I come on full time and help them out and work on projects and help the company. 5 years down the road, I don't want to turn wrenches anymore. There's so many more opportunities in the career industry at RDO to expand and try new things. Always keep your mind open. I never would have thought that I would ended up in the career that I'm choosing, just based on how much I love the aspect of driving the equipment and farming every day. Always keep your mind open and explore every opportunity you can get.